Hello everybody, Miss Jackie Russell here and welcome to my channel. And guys, today I have a box that has come to me from Amazon, and Jenna has graciously sent me this package for review to show to you, and it is from the Opaul company on Amazon, and we're going to find out what's in here. I want to tell you, if you have Prime, you know you can get anything from Amazon practically the next day. And if you do have Prime, then you get free shipping on everything, which is fabulous. And this is no different, and this is the product inside. You can tell that it's been carefully taken care of by Amazon to send. And the product I have is Opaul Rechargeable Book Light, and it has 3 lighting modes. And like I was just telling you, Jenna sent this to me. Thank you very much. And we are going to check it out and see how it performs, see what it looks like. It's got instructions on the outside, and it's telling us precautions. Charge the lamp when the charging indicator flashes. Charge the lamp for at least 90 minutes before first use, and fully charge the lamp at least once every 2 months. So we're going to look in here. It comes like this. So we have our instructions right off the bat, and oh, it's kind of shiny on this side. It's got a clip, which is really cool. Guys, this is really neat, and I've got to try to figure it out. But right there's the light. Can you see that? And it's going to go like that on your book. Whoops, but I do have me a book here. And this is for reading at night in your bedroom. So let me see if I can clip this on here to see how it would work. I've got it on my book there, as you can see. And if you're at nighttime reading, you can have it on 3 different levels, I think. We can turn it down, turn it up, or turn it off. So turn it up, turn it down, and one more. So there's 3 modes on it, just like it had just said. And we're going to find out a little bit more about this product. This is very nifty. How many of you read at night and you're in bed and you wish your lamp was just a little bit brighter? Well, I think this could probably help with that. It is the book reading light with a timer, so you can time it out. It's a book light for reading in bed. Rechargeable LED clip-on book reading light. Portable adjustable lights with 3 colors and 5 brightnesses. So I only showed you 3 of the colors, I think, or maybe I showed you all. But there's 5 all in one, and it's great gifts for readers and kids. And of course, right now, currently on Amazon today, it is $7.99. It's normally $13.99, and they have it on sale. And of course, you get free shipping if you have Prime. They have 2 different colors. Looks like they have a blue one and a white one. I picked the white one, and it's a modern style. The brand is Opaul, and of course, the color I have is white, and the dimensions are 4 and 0.13 inches deep by 1.38 inches wide, and by 0.63 is the height of it. So those are the dimensions. The special features are 3 lighting modes, 5 brightness levels, rechargeable, and it's 80 hours of long lasting. It's eye protection and 30-minute timer. So that is all really cool. And it says the new feature for 2023 Opaul reading light with a 30-minute timer function is perfect for bedtime reading. It saves energy, extends life with a light, and ensures you don't stay up too late reading. Studies have shown that reading for just 30 minutes a day can add up to 2 years to your life. Wow, I didn't know that. Did you know that? Anyways, buy now and experience a more productive life. So wow, that's a great feature. And then it says it's got adjustable eye friendly. So with the 3 different lighting modes and the brightness levels, you can adjust it and customize it to your eyes. And it's got a 180-degree swivel and a 45-degree tilt. Allows for easy adjustment and precise positioning. And I think I have that precisely where I would want it. And you can bring it up if you need to, just like that. And of course you can adjust this to how low you want it or how high up you want it. And then again, it had the different levels of, like there's a lower light there. So it's got that multifunction. It's rechargeable, and it takes about 90 minutes, which we read on the outside of the box, and you can be reading in bed at night and be extending your life, apparently. If you read for 30 minutes, I didn't know that. Might have to start that up. Anyways, it's quality assurance. It's a thoughtful and useful Children's Day, Christmas, birthday, New Year, Valentine's Day, Thanksgiving. I guess they're covering all the holidays. So it's good for children and or adults that like to read at night. It's got the safer lights on there. I was going to see if there was any other special features. It's a broader illumination. It's boosted by 30%. And of course, you get 80 hours, and it's great for travel too. And that's a good idea because, you know, when you're on the plane or any other type of flying or driving or train or whatever you're on, then, you know, it might be nice to have this little reader light, and that way it's more private for you and hopefully doesn't bother anybody else. It looks like a great light, and it may be something new, and it did say it was new for 2023. Customer reviews. Right now they're getting 4-star and 5-star reviews, and here's just a quick one right quick. It says, "I'm a night owl, my wife is not, and that said, she does not like it when I try to read by the bedside with the light on, so I compromise. This little light clips to the end of my book, and I don't like reading on a tablet or an e-reader. And this has 3 settings and 5 levels of light intensity. All are controlled by 2 buttons. I prefer the warm setting and the medium brightness, charging as a breeze. Simply open and pull the clip to expose the USB connection. I've had it for several months now. My wife has not complained once about waking her up. I call that a win, and that is a win." And another one says, "I'm very happy with this book reading light. It clips right on my book and it gives me extra light I need for reading. It can also stand alone, or you can hold it like a flashlight." Well, that's a good idea. I didn't think of that. It's attractive looking, and it's just the right size. Has several different brightness levels. Just press the buttons. It's also a choice of blue light or warm light, or both together. It's very useful and would make a great gift, and I agree, it would make a great gift. And there's several more 5-star reviews there, so this looks to be a wonderful product. So if you are a night reader or somebody that reads a lot and you need a special light for your bedside, I think this could be great for you. And I'm going to turn it off here, and I'm going to close this back up, and I want to see where the USB port, oh, there it is. So you just connect that. So like I could just connect this to my computer actually, because I have extra USB ports on there and I could charge it up, or you just connect it to your plug-in that you have and you can charge it right up. I think that is exquisite, and look how small it is. Easy for travel, like they said. So, and you can adjust this just either way up, or you can have it down more, dependent, and then you have this clip that can adjust many ways on your book. So this is excellent. Thank you, Jenna. I'm glad you sent this over, and thank you, Opaul, for having her send this over to me. I do want to give thanks to them for sending this to me, free for review, and again, it's $7.99 on Amazon currently as I'm recording this today. And you can check this out. It's just so nice and slim. I don't know, like, okay, here's my phone, so it'll give you an idea of the size and a visual look. So I have an iPhone, and it fits just that much size of it. So it's very small and tidy and would work out great for your home. Well, guys, that's all I have for the Opaul Rechargeable Book Light. And again, if you're interested, be sure and check it out on Amazon, $7.99. Looks like a great product. But as for today and Opaul, that's all I have. And as usual, I wish you all a blessed and happy day. Bye-bye.